with hoping. Wednesday, my empty arms are open. Thursday, waiting for love, waiting for love. Burn the stars is Friday. I'm burning like a fire on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around. We want all the kind, irreplaceable. How did I get so blind and so cynical? If there's love in this life, we're unstoppable. No, we can't be. Monday